Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato tuna salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, which we'll cook and cube. Also, have 2 cans of tuna ready, ensuring they are thoroughly drained. For a delightful crunch, chop 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. These fresh components are the foundation for a truly satisfying and flavorful salad. Now, let's prepare our potatoes perfectly. Begin by washing and peeling about 2 pounds of your chosen potatoes. Next, boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes around 15 minutes. It's crucial to let these cooked potatoes cool completely before you move on. Once cooled, cut them into uniform 1/2 inch cubes. This size ensures a great texture in every bite. With your potatoes ready, it's time to combine all those wonderful flavors. In a large mixing bowl, gently add your cubed potatoes and the well-drained tuna. Now, incorporate the freshly chopped celery and red onion. For the creamy dressing, stir in 1 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Finally, season generously with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Almost there. Gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is thoroughly combined and coated. Take a moment to taste your salad and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your potato tuna salad for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish with fresh parsley before serving for a vibrant and appealing finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.